Hello friends, welcome to my channel Daily Solution. Today we will see 10 lines on Neeraj Chopra in English. Please like, share and subscribe. First point, Neeraj Chopra is an Indian javelin thrower. Second, he was born on December 24, 1997. Third, his father name is Satish Kumar and mother name is Saroj Devi. Fourth, he lived in Khandara village in Panipat district. Fifth, he suffered from his family, especially his mother. Sixth point, he played javelin throw from his school years. 7. He was the first Indian Commonwealth Games gold medalist in javelin throw in 2018. He received India's highest sporting award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, in 2018. 9. He won gold medal at World Athletics Championship in Budapest, Hungary on 28 August 2018. 10 point. He is inspiration to all youngsters to take up sports. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.